Welcome sa sip9.com. In this video, ang gagawin natin is itutuloy natin yung ating series about rational expressions. No? In this video, ang gagawin natin is mag-multiply tayo or magre-review tayo ng multiplication of rational numbers. No? Kasi syempre, connected naman yung rational expressions sa rational numbers. No? So, let's have our first example. No? So, for example, negative 3/4 times 5/7. So, pag ganito, rational numbers, these are fractions. No? Fractions are one of the representation of rational numbers. So, pag nag-multiply tayo ng rational numbers, minumultiply lang natin yung numerator and then we multiply the denominator. No? So, magiging 3 times 5 equals 15. And 4 times 7 is 28. No? And since negative ito and positive, negative times positive is negative. No? Hindi tayo masyadong magde-delve dito sa pag-multiply ng rational numbers. No? Kasi siyempre merong whole numbers, merong mixed fractions. No? Hindi na natin masyadong i-discuss dito kasi napag-aaralan na naman natin yan. Ano? And kung nakalimutan nyo na, pwede nyo i-review yung multiplication of fractions natin na series. Okay, let's have our second example. 6/7 times 14/15. No? Now, merong short way of doing this, and syempre yung long way dito is we multiply both the numerator and the denominator. No? So, the numerators and the denominators. So, 6 times 14 is, ilan yun? 84? No? 84 over 7 times 15. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 10 is 70. 70 plus 35 is 105. No? And minsan, hindi natin alam kung lowest terms ba yan. So, kailangan natin yung lowest terms. No? For example, ang 84 over 105. I think medyo obvious na divisible by 3 kasi yung sum ng kanilang digits ay divisible by 3. So, 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3, and then 105, 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, therefore it is also divisible by 3. So ito yung one of the divisibility rules, no? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3, no? So pwede tayong mag-divide ng 3, pwede mag-divide ng 3. We have equal siya sa, ano ang 84 divided by 3? 84 divided by 3, that's 2, 6, 24. That's 28, no? 8 times 3 is 24. So this is 28 over 105 divided by 3. Magiging 3, 9, this is 15, 5. So, 35, 28 over 35. Pwede pa ba? Mukhang obvious, 7, di ba? So, 28 divided by 7 over 35 divided by 7, we have 4 over 5. No? So, ibig sabihin 4 over 5 to. That's the long way, no? Pero, meron tayong shortcut, no? Yung cancellation. Pwede tayong mag-cancel. Actually, meron tayong series nito, no? Yung paano gamitin yung cancellation. Pero, gagamitin din natin dito. Okay, so tingnan natin paano gamitin yung cancellation. 6/7 times 14/15. Pag cancellation, maghahanap ka ng pair ng numbers, no? Na yung isa-isa numerator at yung isa-isa denominator. So, yung isa sa taas, yung isa sa baba. Hindi pwedeng parehong sa taas, hindi pwedeng parehong sa baba. So, for example, yung 14 at saka 7, anong pwede nating i-divide pinakamalaking number, no? The greatest common divisor of 7 and 14. 7, di ba? So, 7 divided by 7, pwede natin yung kulay, no? 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Kung ano yung dinivide mo dito, ganun yung divide mo dito. So, 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. No? What about yung 6 and 15? Anong pinakamalaking number na pwede natin i-divide dyan? No? So, pwedeng 3, di ba? So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, pag wala na tayong ma-divide, wala na tayong makuhang pair na pwede tayo mag-divide, then i-multiply na lang natin yung mga natirang numbers. So, 2 times 2 is 4. And then 1 times 5 is 5. 4 over 5. No? That's one way. No? Meron pa isang way. No? Kung mahirap sa inyong ganito, pwede nyo i-factor out. No? Yung prime factorization na tinatawag. So yung 6 over 7 natin is 2 times 3. No? Divided by 7. This is 6 over 7. Ang 7 wala naman siyang factor. It's a prime number. And then yung 14 is 2 times 7. And then yung 15 is 5 times 3. No? 3 times 5. Prime factors siya, no? Puro prime numbers, no? So, makikita natin yung mga prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, no? So, i-search nyo sa internet yung mga list of prime numbers para makita nyo. Kung hindi kayo familiar. So, from here, pwede tayo mag-cancel. No? 7 divided by 7. Pag dalawang 7, syempre makakancel yan. 1 tsaka 1. Kasi we divide both of them by 7. Katulad ng ginawa natin dito. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 1. So, 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Importanteng lagyan ng 1 kasi usually pag nagkakamali yan, minsan nagiging 0 siya. Pag nawala lang natin ang number, ang nilalagay 0. Pero actually, meron yung 1. So, 3 at saka 3, lagyan din natin ng 1. No? So, meron pa ba? 2 tsaka 5 na lang natira dito. So, wala na tayo pwedeng i-cancel. So, magiging 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 times 2 times 1 is 4. And then, 1 times 1 times 5 is 5. No? So, that's cancellation. No? Okay? Mas madali siya, di ba? Kaysa yung magde-divide ka pa dito. Mahirap to, yung long cut, mahirap yan pag malalaki yung numbers, no? Kasi maghanap ka pa ng divisor, no? Na minsan ilang beses ka pa magdi-divide. Let's have our last example. We have 8 over 15 times 33 over 32. No? So, I think baka mas komportable kayo dito sa pangalawang way, no? Pwede natin gamitin yung dalawa. Ang pwede dito is 8 tsaka 32. Anong pwedeng number na i-divide natin? That's 4. Pwedeng 4. Pwedeng 8, di ba? So, 8 divided by 8 is 4. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1. And then 32 divided by 8 is 4. What about 15 and 33? Pwedeng 3. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 33 divided by 3 is 11. So, wala nang pwede, no? So, we have 1 times 11 is 11. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay? So, yung method 2 natin, cancellation pa rin, pero prime factorization, we have, yung 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, no? And then yung 15 is 3 times 5. And then yung 33 is 3 times 11, no? Wala na tong 11 ito kasi prime number na yan. And then ang 32 is, pwede kayong, kung hindi nyo alam, pwede kayong mag isa-isa, no? 32 is 2 times 16, no? Pero ang 16 ay hindi pa prime number, so this is 2 times 8. Pero yung 8, hindi pa rin. This is 2 times 4. At yung 4 ay 2 times 2. Oh? Yun yung factor G na tinatawag. No? Tapos yung pinakadulo, no? Yan yung mga factors natin. So, 2 times 2 times 2 to the 5th actually yan. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? And, of course, pwede na tayo mag-cancel. Pwede natin yung i-cancel. Cancel, magiging 1. Cancel, cancel, para magiging 1. Cancel, cancel, magiging 1. What else? 3. Magiging 1. So, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 11 is 11. And then we have 5 times 2 times 2. That's 20. No? So, 11 over 20 pa rin yung sagot. No? So, ang ano niyan, maging familiar kayo sa prime number, sa prime factorization, saka sa factor 3. Yan yung mga pwede nyong aralin. No? So, this is 11 over 20. No? So, that's it. Ibig sabihin, pwede tayo mag-factor. No? Pag meron tayong numbers, pwede tayo mag-factor. Ma-apply nyo dito sa algebra. No? Kasi magagamit kayo ng factoring. No? Okay, so dapat familiar din kayo sa factorization. Okay, that's it. I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Abangan nyo yung susunod natin, yung multiplication of rational expressions na kasi ito, rational numbers muna tayo. Gusto ko i-invite sa ating Facebook page, facebook.com/sip9ph at sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/sip9ph. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.